So here again, we're using the decomposing and distributing strategy in order to solve a division problem that we might not know. This is 27 divided by 3. You probably know this because you know your 3 facts, but if you didn't, here is how you could do it. We're going to do it without an array, but you could do it with an array. So let's think about that 27. That's the total, and we're going to have to pick 2 numbers that add up to 27 because we are decomposing 27. We're breaking it down into 2 easier numbers for us. Well, here is the trick. If you remember, people said 20 plus 7, but you can't do that. Why can't you do that? Well, think about what you're dividing by. You're dividing by 3. Can you do 20 divided by 3? Nope. Can you do 7 divided by 3? Not if you want equal groups. So that's not going to work. You have to pick a number that is going to be divisible by 3. Or the other way around to think about it is that it's a multiple of 3. So a way that you can do that is think about 3 and skip count up. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and finally 27. So one of those numbers, which 3 fits into, needs to be added to another one of those numbers that 3 fits into. And that's going to be what you can use. Well, let's take a look. Some people gave some really, really great answers. You could do 3 and 24. You could do 15 and 12. You could do 18 and 9. Is that it? Let's look. Oh, you could do 6 and 21. So the only one you can't do is 27 because that's what you got there, right? So let's try 12 and 15. So 12 plus 15, that's going to give you your 27. So we're decomposing that 27 into 2 numbers that are divisible by 3, that you can divide by 3. So we're going to make 27 divided by 3 into 2 equations that are going to be added together. I'm going to have my 12, just going to put it there. I'm going to put my 15 over here. Now, what do I divide by? We just decomposed that 27 into 2 numbers to make it easier for us. Well, we have to divide by the number that 27 divided is here. You can't make something else up. So you're going to distribute, that's where that word comes in, that 3. I'm going to give you a 3. I'm going to give you a 3. So 12 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. So now bring all of that down. Let's give us an answer. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. You should know that. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. You should know that. So 27 divided by 3 equals 4 plus 5, which is 9. If you don't know those facts, you got to learn them at this point. Because, if you don't have a picture, what are you going to do? Could you do this with a picture? Of course. But you got to start thinking in the facts that you know.